Good Monday evening to Richard Scott here for your forecast update. We've got some rain moving across Alabama as expected tonight, and cold air is also soon to follow that. In fact, by the time you watch this, the cold air may have already arrived. Here's a look at radar, and we're updating the new frames here. We've got rain moving across Alabama. Here's that loop goes back for about an hour, and notice how rain is quite widespread now across the state. And we see those shades of pink up in northwest Mississippi, and that is where that really cold air is right now. Raining in Tuscaloosa, and I want you to notice the temperature is 62 right now. That's important. The road surfaces are warm, so even though temperatures will be getting close to freezing tomorrow morning, roads will be above freezing, so no issues expected there. 57 at Summerton, rain falling down Highway 78, and here comes the front. 45 in Hayesville, 45 in Columbus, still 63 in Tuscaloosa, 62 in Birmingham. In fact, if you look at the top left-hand corner of your screen, that's where we're seeing that freeze approaching Memphis, Tennessee. That freeze line, that white squiggly line, is what that is. And kind of expanded out view here. Notice all the snow is to our north. The rain is basically outrunning the really cold air. The sub-freezing air anyway. Notice how back in Arkansas and northwest Mississippi, the rain is moving out before temperatures can get below freezing. Tomorrow is going to be an awfully cold day. The coldest day we've seen in quite some time. In fact, 32 at 9 o'clock in the morning. That'll be our low temperature sometime around 8, 9 o'clock, and then we'll rise to only 38 by mid-afternoon. A return of some sunshine, I think, by midday into the afternoon, especially over West Alabama, and then sharply turning colder tomorrow night. Here's what we're looking at in terms of low temperature, 6 o'clock Wednesday morning. Now, this isn't Tuesday morning. This is Wednesday morning. As skies will be clear, then temperatures are going to get incredibly cold. Low 20s for Tuscaloosa, upper teens for Vernon, Jasper, Hayesville, Coleman, Gadsden, areas around Indiana. You're going to see temperatures quite cold. So here comes the front tonight. And again, this is simulated radar, what things could look like. You notice about 1, 2 a.m. there could be a little mix of sleet and rain over northwest Alabama. I don't expect snow. The deal is at about 5,000 feet off the ground, there's going to be some warmer air, and that's going to melt those snowflakes. So any type of mixed precip would be rain with a little bit of sleet mixed in. As this comes to an end, notice 5 o'clock, maybe a little bit of light sleet mixed in the rain for places like Tuscaloosa and Birmingham. This will not cause travel issues because of warm road temperatures out there. So even though the temperature will be getting colder and below freezing, road surfaces will be well above freezing. So again, let's go into Tuesday afternoon. We stay in the 30s all day. Tuesday night, very cold. Wednesday morning, we're talking about temperatures well down in the 20s, possibly some teens. But again, tonight, 3 a.m. to 8 a.m., there could be a little bit of light sleet mixed into the rain as the rain comes to an end. No travel issues, no accumulations expected. How much rain are we talking about overnight? About a ½ inch expected for most of Alabama. Rain next several days. Again, some early morning rain and maybe a little bit sleet mixed in. That moves out quickly Tuesday morning. Wednesday dry, maybe a few showers on Thursday. Temperatures will be in the 50s at that point. Again, turning cold tonight, and we'll stay cold all day tomorrow. Wind chill's going to be below freezing. North wind. That's one other thing is how gusty the wind's going to be, gusting to around 25 miles per hour. Again, sunshine in full force on Wednesday. More clouds on Thursday. Some showers around. Then the weekend is looking cool and dry.